नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, my dear kids, we finished on lesson last week, right? Okay, ma. Today we are going to revise the notes. Finish the notes, okay? When I am sending, finish the notes, my dear kids. And after that, you can watch the video once again and you can learn. Okay, ma? Okay. पाठ 13 में सबसे छोटी हूँ. पाठ 13 में सबसे छोटी हूँ. अर्थ गोदी लैप. अंजल एंड ऑफ द शॉल. चलती चीटिंग. धुलामुख washing face. Once again, गोदी लैप. अंजल एंड ऑफ द शॉल. चलती चीटिंग. धुलामुख washing face. Paunch wipe gath body. Nisprah without any wish. Nirfai without fear. Once again, paunch wipe gath body. Nisprah without any wish. Nirfai without fear. Okay, then Vilom Shabd. Laugh hani. Ana jana. Jeevan maran. Phala bura. छोटा बड़ा. अपना पराया. Laugh means profit, hani gain. Laugh means profit, hani means loss. Ana come, jana go. Jeevan life, maran death. Phala goodness, bura bad. Good bad. Chota big, small, bada big. Apna ours, paraya others. Okay, then प्रश्न और उत्तर. बालिका क्या होना चाहती है? What the child want to become? बालिका सबसे छोटी होना चाहती है. She want to become small. बालिका क्या होना चाहती है? बालिका सबसे छोटी होना चाहती है. बच्ची किसके साथ फिरना चाहती है? That girl want to roam with whom? She want to go here and there with whom? बच्ची अपनी माँ के साथ फिरना चाहती है. Isn't it? He want to go with her mother. बच्ची अपनी माँ के साथ फिरना चाहती है. माँ के आंचल की छाया में बच्ची क्या महसूस करती है? When she was catching the end of the shawl of her mother, how she will feel? She will feel without fear, right? Fearless. माँ के आंचल की छाया में बच्ची निर्भय महसूस करती है. माँ के आंचल की छाया में बच्ची निर्भय महसूस करती है. माँ बच्ची को अब कौन सी कहानियाँ सुनाती है? माँ बच्ची को अब कौन सी कहानियाँ सुनाती है? नाउ व्हाट एंड ऑल. कौन सी कहानियाँ नहीं सुनाती है? ओके, नहीं सुनाती है. वेलकम. सॉरी. Which story and all she is not telling and giving to her daughter? माँ बच्ची को अब परियों की कहानी नहीं सुनाती. She is not telling the story of angels. माँ बच्ची को अब परियों की कहानियाँ नहीं सुनाती है. Now she is not telling the story of angels. Okay, then we finish that lesson. Finish the notes, my dear kids. Then we are going to study a new lesson. Part 12 संसार पुस्तक है. The world is a book. Part 12 संसार पुस्तक है. Write on the upper of it today's date 9/2/2021. Okay ma? Okay. 21 मंगलवार. Write that also. Okay, then संसार पुस्तक है. The world is a book. How the world is a book? You know who is Jawaharlal Nehru? Jawaharlal Nehru is our first prime minister, right? Who is the daughter of her? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru? Yeah, Indira Gandhi, right? Jawaharlal Nehru, when he was in jail and all, this Indira Gandhi is very small. So that time, this Jawaharlal Nehru, what he used to do means he used to write letters for his daughter. So he has written one book on that, about the letters of her daughter. Pida Putri ke naam. That one book is there. In that Pida ke Patra Putri ke naam. father's letter in the name of daughter. That is the book he has written. In that what the letters and all he has sent for Indira Gandhi, that is there. So from that one part is only it is given here, what he is written in the letter. That one part is only, this was translated by Munshi Premchand, one famous poet, famous writer from our Hindi Sahitya, Hindi literature. So that man has translated what Jawaharlal Nehru has written for her daughter. From that one part only we are going to study. Sansar Pustak hai, this world is a book. What is that? जब तुम मेरे साथ रहती हो तो अक्सर मुझसे बहुत सी बातें पूछे करती हो और मैं उनका जवाब देने की कोशिश करता हूँ. जवाहरलाल नेहरू इज टेलिंग टू हिज डॉटर, when you are there with me means you will ask, always you will ask so many questions to me. जब तुम मेरे साथ रहती हो तो अक्सर मुझसे बहुत सी बातें पूछी करती हो. You used to ask more questions to me और मैं उनका जवाब देने की कोशिश करता हूँ. I also will try to answer for all the questions what you are asking. लेकिन अब जब तुम मसूरी में हो, now you are in Mussoorie and मैं इलाहाबाद में, now I am in Allahabad and you are there in the Mussoorie, हम दोनों उस तरफ बातचीत नहीं कर सकते. So we can't talk like that. इसलिए मैंने इरादा किया है कि so I decided, I intended to, what he intended, कभी कभी तुम्हें इस दुनिया की और उन छोटे बड़े देशों की जो इस दुनिया में हैं छोटी छोटी कथाएँ लिखा करो. What and all is there in this world, that about the small and big country and all, about this world, everything I will write as a story and I will send to you. Like that I am thinking. So Jawaharlal Nehru is telling that whenever we are together, you used to ask so many questions to me and I also try to answer you. But now you are there in Mussoorie and I am in Allahabad. So we can't speak, we can't conversate like that. So what I have intended that whatever I am seeing in this world and why that small things and all, whatever in this world, that everything I will write as a story and I will send to you. Like that I am thinking. तुमने हिंदुस्तान और इंग्लैंड का कुछ हाल इतिहास में पढ़ा है. जो हिंदुस्तान अबाउट हिंदुस्तान मीन्स इंडिया and also England का कुछ हाल इतिहास में पढ़ा है. You may be the condition of England and in India, about that you have learned so many in the history and all. इतिहास में पढ़ा है. You have learned about India and England in the history. Right, the meanings: इरादा, intention, संसार, world, पुस्तक, book, बातचीत, conversation, कथाएँ, stories, हाल, condition, इतिहास, history. Write that on the textbook. लेकिन इंग्लैंड केवल एक छोटा सा टापू है. टापू मीन्स आइलैंड. बट व्हाट हैपन, इंग्लैंड इज ओनली ए लिटिल आइलैंड ओनली. और हिंदुस्तान जो एक बहुत बड़ा देश है, बट हिंदुस्तान, इंडिया इज़ अ वेरी बिग कंट्री. फिर दुनिया का एक छोटा सा हिस्सा है. देन इवन इट इज़ ए स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया. इट इज़ इवन ए बिग कंट्री, इवन दैट इज़ ए स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ आवर वर्ल्ड. अगर तुम्हें इस दुनिया का कुछ हाल जानने का शौक़ है, Now whether you want to know anything about the world's condition, तो तुम्हें सब देशों का और उन सब जातियों का जो इसमें बसी हुई है ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. If you want to know the condition of this world means you not only you want to know only this world, you want to know even every country and even every caste and all, whatever the people in higher class, middle class, all the class peoples you want to know. And also केवल उस एक छोटे से देश का नहीं जिसमें तुम पैदा हुई हो. Not only the country where you born, only that you don't want to know. You want to know about everything. If you want to know तुम्हें इस दुनिया का कुछ हाल नहीं, if you want to know the condition of this world means you don't want to, not only your place where you born only you want to know. You want to know all the countries' conditions. isn't it? You want to know all the countries' conditions. मुझे मालूम है कि इन छोटे छोटे खतों में बहुत थोड़ी सी बातें ही बतला सकता हूँ. I know that in the small letters and all I can say only little things only. I can say छोटे छोटे खतों में बहुत थोड़ी सी बातें ही बतला सकता. I can say only small things only I can say from this. हिस्सा, पार्ट, शौक, इंटरेस्ट, टापू, आइलैंड, पैदा हुई, बॉर्न, खत, लेटर्स, खतों, लेटर्स, बतला सकता, कैन टेल. फिनिश्ड माय डियर किड्स. देन नेक्स्ट पेज. लेकिन मुझे आशा है कि इन थोड़ी सी बातों को भी तुम शौक से पढ़ोगी. बट आई नो दैट you this small thing even you will read very interestfully. You are very interestingly you will read this one and समझोगी and you will understand also. I know that you will very interestingly you will read this and also you will understand कि दुनिया एक है. You know understood that you will understand that this world is one only. और दूसरे लोग जो इसमें आबाद हैं, those who are settling here, the other people those who are settling here है हमारे भाई बहन. They are our brother and sisters. By reading my letters and all you will understood that we are living in a same world and those others who is settled here they are our sisters and brothers. जब तुम बड़ी हो जाओगी तो तुम दुनिया और उसके आदमियों का हाल मोटी मोटी किताबों में पढ़ोगी. When you will grow up you will know about this world and also the people who are there. You will learn from the big books. When you will grow up you will learn from the big books, isn't it? We will get the history books and all, right, about the big people, about the words, things and all. So this Jawaharlal Nehru is telling to Indira Gandhi when she is small that when you will grow up you will learn everything from about this world and even the people those who are settling here from the big books and all. उसमें तुम्हें जितना आनंद मिलेगा उतना किसी कहानी या उपन्यास में भी नहीं मिला होगा. That much when you will read that one you will get so much happiness. That happiness will never give by any story or anything. You will not get from any story or anything. You will read from the big books about this world's history and all. यह तो तुम जानती हो कि यह धरती लाखों करोड़ों वर्ष पुरानी है. This you know that this world is lakhs and crores years old only. और बहुत दिनों तक इसमें कोई आदमी न था. Before and first and all what happened? So many days and all in this world even a single person was not there. No any आदमी, कोई आदमी न था. No any person was there. आदमियों से पहले सिर्फ जानवर थे. Before the persons and all only animals were there. और जानवरों से पहले एक ऐसा समय था जब इस धरती पर कोई जानदार चीज़ नहीं थी. जानदार चीज़ living things. Before animals we can find that it was a time in this world even a single living things was not there. आज जब यह दुनिया हर तरह के जानवरों और आदमियों से भरी हुई है. Now this world is filled with the animals and human beings. उस ज़माने का ख्याल करना भी मुश्किल है जब यहाँ कुछ न था. We can't imagine even the people in the world which is not having animals and people and all, isn't it? Now this world is filled with so many animals and so many people and all. So we can't, it's very difficult to imagine that how the world was there without anything. लेकिन विज्ञान जानने वालों और विद्वानों ने जिन्होंने इस विषय को खूब सोचा और पढ़ा है. But what happened? The विज्ञान जानने वाले, those who know science and also the scholars, they have so much studied and think about this one. लिखा है कि एक समय ऐसा था, one time was there, जब यह धरती बेहद गर्म थी. This world was very hot and इस पर कोई जानदार चीज़ नहीं रह सकती थी. Even a single living things can't survive here because of the hotness of this earth. that time also was there in this world. It was studied by our science and also the scholars and all, साइंटिस्ट एंड स्कॉलर्स एंड ऑल. और अगर हम उनकी किताब पढ़ें और पहाड़ों और जानवरों की पुरानी हड्डियों की गौर से देखें तो हमें खुद मालूम होगा कि ऐसा समय ज़रूर रहा होगा. नाउ व्हेन इफ़ वी आर स्टडिंग द बुक्स ऑफ दैट स्कॉलर्स एंड साइंटिस्ट एंड ऑल, वी कैन फाइंड आउट दैट द पहाड़ों, द माउंटेन्स एंड एनिमल्स, पुरानी हड्डियों एंड पहाड़ों और जानवरों की पुरानी हड्डियों को, the mountains and also the bonds of the animals, if we are seeing, means we can understood that that time also was zarur raha hoga. It was surely it was there that हड्डियों को गौर से देखें तो हमें खुद मालूम होगा. We can now when we are seeing the bonds and also the pahad, the mountains and all, we can see that when we are seeing, we can really assure that it was a time there was no living things in our world. So this was the condition of our world before the animals, people were there. Before the people, animals were there. Animals before, no one was there, because that much hot was there in this world and no one can survive in this world. After that, slowly animals came, then animals, after human beings came, then after that only now it filled with fully animals and human beings. Everything is there, isn't it? So that much only is enough for today, right? Okay, my dear kids, write the meanings. Abad, settled. Moti, very big. Janda, cheese, living thing. Vidwano, scholars. Haddiyom, bonds. Okay. Learn, write the notes of the previous lesson, 13th lesson, and read the lesson, this one. Okay, my dear kids, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.